Hey guys, it's Shubham here back with another video. So in this video I'm going to show you guys how you can install MIUI CAF on your smartphone. So let's get started. So right now I already installed it. Let me quickly review it and then I will show you guys how you can install. So as you can see, it's based on the MIUI 11 Android 9. So yeah, as you can see, it is based on Android 9 Pie. So camera is working properly on this ROM. Also in the video section you will get option for the recording video up to the 4K 30 fps. On the regular MIUI you can't record up to 1080p 60 fps, but on this ROM you can record up to 4K 30 fps. So that's pretty cool. Also on this ROM you can install the Gcam. Let me show you guys. It does support camera to APIs, which means you can install your favorite Gcam on this device as well. So yeah, also you will get option for ambient display, which means the always on display. So you can simply turn it on if you want to, and I wouldn't recommend to turn it on because this phone has LCD display. If you turn this on for the long time, it will burn out your display. So don't turn it on. I will simply turn it off, but it's cool. You can schedule it for few 5 or 10 minutes. So let me show you guys how it works. So after you turn off your device, you will get this small logo and the timing. So yeah, that's pretty cool. Also in the CAF interface you will get options to add block. I would definitely recommend turn this on because MIUI has really ridiculous amount of ad, and always update this ad away so you won't get any ads on your device. The custom display, you can change the animation. I like scale animation. So there are way too many customization on this ROM. You can change the custom status bar. So yeah, also you will get option for the developer option. So yeah, overall I'm really like this ROM as well. You can check out link in the description if you want to install it. So now I'm gonna show you guys how you can install on your smartphone. So make sure your smartphone does support this ROM. You can check, you can simply Google it. I will give link for download this ROM, especially for the it is based on the Redmi Note 5 Pro. So first you need to do is turn off your device, obviously, and hold the power button and the volume up button together. So as you can see, right now I am on the recovery mode, as you guys know. Now all I have to do is install the zip file. So I already downloaded zip file on my flash drive, so which I'm gonna connect to my phone. So now go to the install, click on the select storage, and now as you can see the OTG is showing me. Now press the swipe and you're done. So now wait 5 minutes until it's gonna install. It's gonna take a few minutes to install this zip file. Now go back. Do not click on the reboot system yet. Go to the mount and mount the system and the vendor. So now go back again to the home menu and right now click on the wipe. Obviously this will format all the data, just to make sure. Click on the yes. Okay, so now click on the reboot system. So as you can see, showing the bootloader of the MIUI CAF. So first you need to connect to your Wi-Fi using the Wi-Fi settings, and then click on the active this device. So yeah, after doing that, just click on the next, select the language. You can change so yeah, this will take few minutes. Just make sure to complete all the setup before you continue. I'm just gonna skip it for now. Please allow all the permission it is asking you to do. Okay, so now just put your fingerprint, complete the fingerprint setup, click on the next, on classic. I'm just gonna go with classic settings. Okay, so make sure you don't install the bloatwares on your phone, so just remove whatever you don't want. I'm just gonna install some of this app, but you can just skip. Okay, so now setup is completed. As you can see, it's looking really good. So yeah, that's it.